These aren't the Rome stories you learned in school. These are the forbidden tales, the bizarre, hidden truths that will make you question everything you thought you knew. And trust me, number one will leave you speechless. 1. Rome was founded by a murderous wolf myth. Our story begins not with marble temples or armies, but with a wolf. According to Roman myth, the city was founded by twin brothers, Romulus and Remus. Abandoned as babies, they were saved and nursed by a she-wolf, who kept them alive until a shepherd found them. Years later, the brothers argued over who would rule their new city. The argument turned bloody. Romulus killed Remus and named the city after himself. 2. Romans used urine to do laundry. You heard that right? Romans washed their clothes with pee. Why? Because urine contains ammonia, a powerful cleaning agent. Workers would collect urine from public toilets in giant jars, and laundrymen used it to bleach dirty tunics. In fact, Emperor Vespasian even put a tax on urine collection, famously saying, "Money doesn't stink." 3. Vomitoriums weren't what you think. One of the most popular myths is that Romans had special rooms called vomitoriums, where they would gorge on food and then throw up so they could eat more. But that's not true. A vomitorium was actually just a passageway in amphitheaters and stadiums, like an exit ramp, designed to let crowds spew out quickly after events. 4. The emperor who made his horse a senator. Rome had its fair share of eccentric rulers, but none more infamous than Emperor Caligula. Among his bizarre acts, it's said he planned to make his horse, Incitatus, a senator. Ancient historians claim he even gave the horse a marble stable, ivory manger, and servants. Some argue Caligula did this as a joke, mocking the Senate's incompetence. Others believe he was simply losing his grip on reality. Either way, the story shows how strange and dangerous Roman politics could be. 5. Roman concrete was stronger than ours. 2,000 years later, Roman concrete is still standing strong, in aqueducts, harbors, and the Colosseum itself. Meanwhile, modern concrete crumbles within decades. So what was their secret? The Romans used volcanic ash mixed with lime, which allowed their concrete to heal itself when cracks formed. Scientists are still studying it today, hoping to copy the formula for sustainable building. In a way, Rome didn't just build an empire, they built materials that might outlast ours. So, from wolf myths to horse senators, from laundry pee to miracle concrete, the Romans were full of surprises. Which of these shocked you the most? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll be reading them. And if you want more unbelievable history, make sure to subscribe, because we've only just scratched the surface of the ancient world.